Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to run Android app on PC with EMU Play. Install and play mobile games on the Windows. So guys, for downloading and installing the EMU, first of all open your web browser, go for the click download button from the latest version. Once download, double click the installer file to run it. Then click the option of install now and agree to the term and conditions. Then choose your preferred installation path or use the default. Then wait for the installation process to complete fully and click the option of launch now to open your EMU Play for the first time. After that, some step, so complete the quick first time step wizard if prompted. Click the option of Play Store, sign in with your existing Google account credentials and access the setting menu from the right hand sidebar. Adjust the performance setting from the CPU and the RAM allocation. Set your preferred display resolution and the frame rate. Explore the key mapping to customize the controller for the games. Last thing is how you install the app. For installing the app, go and open the Play Store with your MEmu Play. Okay, then choose the search bar at the top. You find the desired app. Tap the option of install button. Begin the download. Accept any required app permission when prompted. Wait for the app to download and install automatically. Launch the newly installed app directly from the Play Store. Last thing, installing app from APK files. So download the APK files from your trusted sources to your PC. Then drag and drop the files and alternatively click the option of APK. Then confirm the installation when prompted by MEmu Play and allow the installation process to complete. Then find the new app icon on your emulator home screen and launch it. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.